During meditation, keep the mind unobstructed as space. After meditation, regard the flow of events as a rainbow. And thus the things which so allure the world are seen to be insubstantial hallucinations. Joy and misery are dances within a dream. Forms and sights are a town projected by a magician. You know what I mean? Like if we had just come out from Mickey D's, it's hard to perceive forms and events as like a rainbow. But this is why things like good pranayama, good yoga practice, good healthy food, real food, not fake food, real food. That's the starting point. You know what I mean? And just as best as we can, healthy lifestyle, because what happens when we decide that we're going to make compassion central to our lives? It takes us on a journey of figuring out all in the ways how we can produce less harm. We can be more helpful and less harmful because we start to realize it's not just a purely altruistic motive. Ultimately, yes, but also temporarily there's a personal motive in it as well, because when I'm altruistic, I'm the first to benefit, to give myself the experience of my heart like that. That's what Dalai Lama always said, if you be selfish, at least be the wise selfish. And through the selfishness of arousing greater compassion, you will be the first to benefit, and that benefit is bliss. But it's also not just okay to make me become blissful, because what do we mean even by the word bliss? Even this is just a word that we project onto it. So that we have to experience what this is, because when they call it bliss void indivisible. But what does that mean? Bliss void indivisible. It means it's something other than maybe what is a normal thinking mind is really easily comprehending. And that's why there's so much emphasis put on empty space, emptiness, to find out what remains, what part of us is non-dying in nature, what part of us is substantive, in other words. So then, when we're practicing compassion, it is like a wisdom sword that helps us to perceive how things actually are. Through compassion, through love. This is fantastic stuff, you know. It doesn't have to be rigid religious vibes, you know what I mean? It's much more cool, like mystical, psychedelic vibes, if anything. But it doesn't have to be. It can be very simple, like be kind to each other. Love one another and learn what is the path of learning how to actually do that. And how to do that in more and more meaningful facets of life and reality and society. All of it. It flows from there. It's great. Okay, ready? A few of these exercises are really, well, I think we'll have a good time with them.
Hey, thanks for watching on YouTube. Best easy way to stay in touch with us. Hit the subscribe button here. You'll see our videos when they come up. If you enjoyed this one, hit the like button. It'll help more people see it, help the channel grow. I appreciate you watching.